Welcome to Cotech Institute's YouTube channel, your gateway into the web tech industry today.
Welcome to our fourth lesson. Remember, in the previous lesson, we learned how to create the homepage. We learned how to add the register now button, how to add a button in Google Sites. And then we learned how to add this image and the heading on top of this image and this image and the heading on this top image. And then we also learned how to add text below an image, this text and this text. That's what we did in our previous lesson. So we are in the process of creating our website. And in today's lesson, we want to learn how to add new pages. But I think you see that there is something that we did not do well in the previous video. You would see that this image is not just one. There are many images here. If you see, we can see many images around here on this page. So, but if we come here on our website, the one that we developed, there is only one image. There are no many images. We only have one image. How are we going to make or insert many images on this in this place? Let's get straight into it before we learn how to add new pages. Let me close the preview. Okay. Now we are here again. This is our image. Instead of just having one image, we want to modify things here. We want to put what is called, we want to insert, under insert, then we scroll down. We want to insert what is called an image carousel. So how do we add an image carousel? We are going to click here on image carousel, and then we get this window, which asks us to enter or to select multiple images to add in that element. Then we click here. I want to upload images. I don't want to select, right? Then here I'm going to select more images, many images. I think I need these ones. Let me add this one. Let me also add this one. Let me also add which one? Oh, the logo of CodeTech Institute. So I want 1, 2, 3, 4, and the code of CodeTech Institute. Then I'm going to click in. Okay. Now we have these images. We have multiple images that we have here. Then I'm going to insert this image. But before I click insert, I may need to do some little bit of settings, or I may need to organize these images. If I hover on this image, I can see if I can add some text, or I can delete the image, or maybe I can drag the image and put it here to be the first image. Whatever, depending on how I want to reorder the images, right? Or if I want these images to just rotate on their own, I will come back to that part. Let me just insert for now. Right, I click insert. When I click insert, I get this one now. It's a carousel with many images. It has 4 images. But it is not in the right place. I want this one to be here where there's this image. Here where there's this image. So maybe I should take this one and drag it and bring it just on top of this image. I put it there. But the old image is still there. It is here. Maybe I need to delete this one. So if I tap on it, I can see there is this option to delete or to crop, many things. But now let me just focus on delete. Then I delete it. Now we are back with an image carousel. Let me preview. If I click here on preview, how does it look like now? Then let me scroll down. Oh, I see here. These are the images. Okay, this is the image now. Now it is made up of many images. If I do it like this, I can see there are many images. I may want these images to just display in a rotational manner automatically. How am I going to do that? Is it possible? Let's see. Let me close the preview. And then we come here, we scroll down, we come to the images. Then, so I want to edit this part with the images. Let me click here on the images. If I click here on the images, let me double click and see. If I double click it, I come back again to this small window. Then I click on the settings. I think you all see this gear for settings. Then I click on the settings. Yes, I want this one to auto start. So how am I going to do it? I click here in this box, right? So I should specify the speed at which I want the image carousel to move. So I click here. Maybe I want it to move very fast or move very slow or whatever, but let me choose medium, and then I click set. So now this image carousel is moving. Let me preview, and then I show you the images will start auto rotating, right? Then let me move down here. Now you see the images are rotating automatically. So this is how it turns out to be on the actual website. So that's how you put an image carousel. So thank you very much for watching this video. Let us meet again in the next video, that is lesson number 5, where we are in actual fact going to learn how to add more website pages. Please don't miss the next lesson. If you haven't liked or subscribed to this channel, please like, subscribe and share. Thank you very much, and God bless you.